Hi everyone, now we are going to make wheat bread without yeast. First grease the pan with oil or ghee. Now preheat the oven for 10 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. Now we can take the dry ingredients. Wheat 3 cups, baking soda 2 teaspoons, salt quarter teaspoon. Mix all these dry ingredients. Nuts as you like. Now we can take wet ingredients. Buttermilk 2 cups, honey quarter cup. If you want sweet, add more honey. Oil 2 tablespoons. Now mix all these wet ingredients. Now mix both the dry and wet ingredients. Pour both the dry and wet ingredients in the pan. Now keep the pan in oven for 1 hour. After 1 hour, check the bread with fork whether it is baked or not. Now the bread is ready.